If you want to receive a notification when a contact joins X, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn that on in just a few taps. This is really useful if you want to stay updated when people in your contacts list create or join an account on X without having to check manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open X and go to the left navigation bar. Click on More to reveal the additional menu options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control your account, security, and notification settings. Next, click on Notifications section. Look for Preferences and click that option. Now select Push Notifications. This is where you can manage the alerts that appear on your device. Once you're in Push Notifications, find the Contact Joins X option and toggle it on. As soon as that setting is enabled, X will be able to notify you when a contact joins the platform. That's all you need to do. No extra steps, no complicated setup. Just a quick setting change to keep you informed. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.